Hello guys, my name is Prav and welcome to our channel. So in this video I can going to share with you guys one website where we can create a very high quality backlink, because this website can provide you a do follow backlink. This website domain rating is 92 and this website having 6.9 million traffic potential. And in this website you guys have to create your profile backlink, you guys have to create your web 2.0 backlink, and also you guys can publish your article on that website. So these three things you guys have to do on that website. So this is a website overview, and before I started I wanted to request you with one thing guys. If you guys are new on this channel or if you guys haven't subscribed this channel, so it's a humble request to you guys can hit the subscribe and like button, because these things can motivate me to create rapidly videos for you. Okay, so the first thing, the domain authority is 90 and the spam score is 10%. So if considerable, so you guys have to create your backlink. And now according to Acharif, the domain rating is 92 and you guys will see this website having 6.9 million total visitors. This is a monthly traffic, and mostly traffic from USA, UK, Canada, France, Germany and other countries. So if you want to drive crawlability and the audience from that kind of country, so you guys have to create your backlink on that website. So the website name is bigcircle.com, and I can also provide this website URL over the description section, so where you guys can access easily. So you guys can see there is a sign up button, but you guys have to go with always free option. So there is a get started button, you guys have to click, and there you guys can add your email address, your password, your shop name. For the shop name you guys can consider your brand name, and you guys will see this is your profile landing page URL. So if you want, then you guys have to copy, then after that you guys can click for the sign up. And you guys can see then welcome. There is a let's go button, you guys have to click over there. There you guys can add your name, then after that you guys can click for the next button, and you guys can see there is a multiple options. So how do you hear about us? So you guys can select any option, then after that you guys can click for the next. What is best describe us? So I'm selling the first time, I'm just exploring. So there is a first option you guys can click. Then after that what do you plan to sell, product and other things, so you guys have to click for the I'm not sure yet, and after that you guys can click for the next button. And this website can send you a verification email, so you guys have to verify your profile firstly. So we got it, the email, and there is verify your profile button, you guys have to click. And then after that you guys can go with your account section. There you guys can optimize your all the details, so there you guys can update your brand logo, and after that you guys can add your description. I'm just copying the description from my website because I don't have time to generate a description, fresh description. And after that you guys can, this is your shop URL, and the website section you guys can add your website URL. And you guys have to make sure you guys can put it, if you guys are adding your description, so make sure your description length is 255 characters limit. So you guys will see, and this is our shop URL, so I can open it and I can show you. This is a no follow or do follow backlink. So there is a back to site button, you guys have to click over there, and I can show you this is a no follow or do follow backlink. So you guys will see this is a 100% do follow backlink. There is no any indication for the no follow or no referral. And now we can go to create web 2.0 backlink. So you guys will see there is a design your shop button, you guys have to click over there. And then after that you guys will see this is your dashboard. If you want, there you guys can update your all the details, logo and the hero image. Now I'm just landing the page section. There is add new page button, you guys have to click over there. There you guys can add your page name. So I'm considering page name for the your trusted traffic management company. Added. Okay. Yeah, and if you want, then you guys can add your image URL, but firstly I can go to add a content. So I have copied, and I'm inserting the URL backlink, for my website backlink. So there is firstly you guys have to copy your disk keyword. Then after that you guys will see there is a URL button. You guys have to click over there. Then you guys can add it. Then you guys can click for the new window or current window, whatever you want. Then after that you guys have to click for the save button, and your link is inserted. And if you want to add images with your content, so you guys are also able to do. So then you guys can click for the image button. From the source you guys will to upload. Then you guys update your images, and then after that you guys will click for the save button, and you guys will see your image is inserted. And once you guys can complete your all the things, then after that you guys will click for the done button. And after that you guys can again click for the publish button. And you guys will see your Web 2.0 backlink is submitted, whatever you call Web 2.0 or the blog backlink. And now we can go with our website. Simply you guys will refresh it, and you guys can see this is your Web 2.0 backlink. And I can show you this is a no follow or do follow backlink. So you guys can see this is 100% do follow backlink with contextual. So it's 100% do follow backlink. There is no any indication for the no follow or no referral. So this is a process for the backlink creation process on that website. And if you guys are watching till end, so thanks for watching guys. And if you guys are having anything concern, any doubts, any suggestion for me or your friends, then you guys have to share your thoughts on the comment section. And if you guys can want to connect with me personally, any kind of service, project and suggestions, so you can provide my social details over the description section. And for the last, I wanted to request you with one thing guys. If you guys are new on this channel, or if you guys haven't subscribed this channel, so it's a humble request, you guys can hit the subscribe and like button, because these things can motivate me to create rapidly videos for you. I hope you guys can do something from your side. Okay, so bye bye and take care.